Ever wondered how your data stays safe on public Wi-Fi? Or how people watch Netflix from other countries? The answer is the 3 letters VPN. In this video we are breaking down what a VPN is and 5 genius ways to use it that you probably didn't know. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of connecting directly, your data goes through a private server that hides your location and encrypts your information. That means websites, apps, even your internet provider can see what you are doing. Okay, so why should you care about using a VPN? Here are 5 powerful uses of it. Number 1, public Wi-Fi protection. In cafes or airports, a VPN keeps hackers from stealing your passwords and messages. Unlocking streaming content. Watch to US Netflix in Zimbabwe. A VPN changes your virtual location so you can access geo-blocked shows. Hide your IP address. Your real location stays private. Goodbye creepy tracking ads. Avoid censorship. In countries with restricted internet, VPNs help people to access blocked apps and websites. Cheaper online deals. Believe it or not, some sites change prices based on your location. A VPN can save you money on flights and rentals. VPNs are not just for tech nerds, they are for everyone who values privacy, freedom, and smart browsing. Want more digital tips? Like, subscribe, and comment what you want us to explain next. Peace.